Hi guys, it's me Leila again, and don't forget to like, subscribe, smash that like button, and don't forget to click the notification bell so if you're new, you never forget a single one of our videos. And today we are going to be opening up a prize from Beverly Hills Teddy Bears. And today we got a new guest. His name's Sunny. He is one of my little brothers. And today we're going to be opening up a prize from the 12 Days of Christmas giveaway. And from Beverly Hills Teddy Bears. And we are going to be opening them right now. Let's hop into it.
5 minutes later.
Okay, we are going to do another test on squeezing everyone. 3, 2, 1, squish! That one's very squishy and soft and fluffy. This one's the fluffiest. Squish! It also is squishy and it's the most fluffiest. See those cute sparkling eyes? And this one's the smallest of the group. Squish! And it's really cute. Have a closer look at every one of these and leave a comment down below of what you like the best about each one of these 3 squishies. Leave a comment down below. What do you like most about these squishies? And if you forgot, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're new, hit the notification button so you never forget to ever watch any of our videos. A special shout out to the Beverly Hills Teddy Bear Company, and their teddy bears and squishies will be down in the link in the description down below. If you haven't followed, follow them right now, this day or second on Instagram. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching, guys. Now bye!